How's it going, YouTube? My name is Trey. Today I'm going to be showing you how to read from a file or text file in Java. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell if you want to watch more of my videos. Alright, let's get straight to the code. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is create a text file using whatever text editor you like to use. For me personally, I like to use Notepad as a text file editor. Then the next thing, once you create your text file, you need to put it in your SRC or your source folder of your program project folder. After you have created your text file and put it in your SRC folder, you need to import 3 libraries. The first one being import java.io.file. Import java.io file not found exception. And the last library you need to import is java.util.scanner. With whatever method you're using to read through your text file, you need to throw a file not found exception, which pretty much helps Java handle an error just in case the file that you're looking for can't be found. So you need to go to the name right beside the name of the method you created, and you need to type throws file not found exception. Inside of our method, we need to create a scanner object, and we're going to call it file reader. So scanner file reader is equal to new scanner, and then inside the parameters of new scanner, instead of saying system.in, we're going to say new file. And then in the parameter of your new file object, you need to put the string of your text file path. So if you put it in your SRC folder, you're going to say SRC // and then the name of your text file. For this example, I'm going to be reading from a text file of popular supervillains. So SRC supervillains.txt. Alright, next we need to actually read through our text file. So how do we do that? Create a while loop. So while, and then the name of our scanner, file reader dot has next. Inside of our while loop, we need a string holder for each line of text that's being read from the text file. Inside of our while loop, we need a placeholder for each line of text that's being read from our text file. So for this example, we're going to say string villain, and it's going to be set to file reader dot next line. So next we need to print out each line of text, and how we're going to do that, we're just simply going to use a system.out.println statement, or for me I'm going to use print, and then we're going to say villain with villain plus a space and comma. Alright, now it's time to look at our list of villains. And we have Majin Buu, Cell, Jiren, Joker, Brainiac, Venom, Frieza, Metallo, Carnage, and Thanos. So that's how you read from a text file in Java. If you have any questions, comment below. Alright, thank you for watching.